Hello everyone, welcome back to Tinateach Python. Today we'll be looking at unpacking tuples, what it means to unpack a tuple or to pack a tuple, and what does using an asterisk has to do with any of this. So what is packing tuples? Very simply, we assign values to a tuple. That's packing it, okay? Like this, I have a weather tuple with the value of storm, sunny, and rainy at index 0, 1, and 2 respectively. So that is packing, okay? Now, what is unpacking? Very interestingly, unpacking is extracting the values of the tuple to separate variables, okay? Once again, I have our good old weather tuple. Now I have bad, good, and great variable. I assign them to the tuple weather, or more specifically, I assign them with the values that is within the weather tuple. So now the bad variable has the value of storm, good for sunny, and great for rainy, okay? Next up, using asterisk. If the number of variables is less than the amount of values, assign the rest to a variable. So this is what happens when you're in a situation where you have more values than you do variables. For example, 1, 2, 3, but you only have 2 variables. The asterisk is here to tell Python that, okay, you have the first variable, which is one variable. Just assign one value to it. Storm is bad. And put the rest into good. Okay? That's simply it. However, if the asterisk is given to a variable that's not the last, assign values to the variable until all that's left equal to the amount of variable left. Put everything in that one variable, this one, with the asterisk, and only leave enough for whatever variable is left, okay? So storm naturally will be assigned to bad, and sunny, rainy, cloudy. Windy, humid will be assigned to good, and great will be assigned with snow, okay? So Python only leaves snow left because there's only one variable left, so naturally just one value left and assign it to that. Now I'm going to have the variable season equals to spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Now let's assign some variables. Good, not bad, the best. You can use underscore for variable that has, elongated names. So assign them to the values of season, and then let's print them out. Good, not bad, and then the best. Now that we've assigned all of those, let's reassign them, okay? Now I'm just going to use 2 variables, good and the best. Assign that to seasons, and then let's print good and the best. Now let's go down here and have another tuple. This one's going to be a bit long. Storms, rain, snow, humid, windy, cloudy, and lastly sunny. Asterisk, meh, and pretty good. Assign that to weather. Now print decent, print meh, and print pretty good. Okay, I've zoomed in a little bit. Okay, my bad, I forgot the asterisk over here. Let's put asterisk in here. Okay, now let's run it. There we go. If we print good, good is spring, right? Not bad is summer and autumn, and then the best is winter.
with this next line over here, good becomes spring, summer, and autumn, okay? Because we only have the best left, so it becomes winter. Next up to weather, we have storms for decent. And then for meh, we have this whole bunch over here until one is left, which is sunny, and it's assigned to pretty good.
Okay, thank you for watching. Our next topic is going to be about looping tuples. So we'll be looking at the familiar for loop, while loop, and going through indexes and all that fun stuff, okay? Thank you for watching. I hope that you understand. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Learn today, better tomorrow. Goodbye.